today I'm here with the Be Kind by Ellen winter subscription box. I also have my best boy cat in my life with me, Henry. So if you're not familiar with the subscription box, all the items in here are you know, made with purpose and love. The box is curated by Ellen. Boxes seasonally are $54.99, but if you subscribe to the annual subscription, they're $49.99 a box. I have unboxed this before. I do not know what's in this box though. I have not been keeping up with like spoilers and things like that. So we're gonna kind of find out together what's in here. I'm super excited. I will link to the Be Kind box below. So you can check that out with my affiliate link. They do send this box to me for review, so just so you know, kind of FYI, but all the opinions about it are my own. And yeah, I think that's it. I'm super stoked. I've been using, I don't know if you guys saw my fall unboxing, they included these like reusable sticky notes. I love them. I have the calendar on my refrigerator right now. It is a game changer. I love it. Right, Henry, go. All right, so let's open it together. All right, so right on top we have our thing that tells us about this box. The winter box includes items from 6 brands that make a conscious choice to do better for the world. We absolutely love them and hope you will too. Enjoy the Ellen team. And then there is this magazine. This is edition 17, so I'm guessing, wow, has it been that long? That means it's been around for 4 years, the Be Kind box. So this is going to tell us about the items in this box. I kind of don't want to spoil it since this is a complete surprise for me. So there's that. Now, oh, adopted gorilla. I adopted a gorilla, I think. All right, so there's a letter to the reader. Ellen member, a donation has been made in your name to the Diane Fossey Gorilla Fund for the adoption of a gorilla. I'm honored to support the Fossey Fund to help carry on the legacy of my hero, Diane Fossey, and to ensure that wild gorillas are protected. Through this adoption, you're supporting gorilla conservation with me. The Fossey Fund's adoption program is unique. The mountain gorillas they monitor and protect every single day are truly wild and are not in a sanctuary. With your adoption of a gorilla through the Fossey Fund, you help ensure the gorilla's wildness and protection for generations to come. To register your gorilla, please refer to your adoption certificate enclosed, which I have right here. Oh, I adopted one, yay! And scan with your phone. That will take you automatically to the site. In addition to the enclosed certificate of your gorilla adoption, you will receive a profile, a digital subscription, a special video, a downloadable image, and a twice yearly update about your gorilla. It says a little more, but in essence, that's that. So that is awesome in and of itself. I'm obsessed. All right. Bomba socks. I'm so excited. These are merino wool. So for every pair of socks that are purchased, one is donated to people in shelters, I believe. These are medium size. They are a red. This is a fun color, I'd say. And they do have a little stripe here. I do not own a pair of these, but I see ads for them everywhere. But like, I cannot right now buy a pair of socks because I have about 7,000. So I'm excited that I got these because now I can try them out. They're so soft though. Oh, I just love warm socks. I just love them in the winter. Don't you, Enrico? All right. What are we getting out here first? What do you want to get out here first? All right, let's go with this thing. This is from Beach Waver Company, Be Confident Co-Wash. This is a hydroionic alpha bond multiplier. Cleanse, condition, and be confident in your beautiful hair. Infused with shea butter, coconut oil, Abyssinian oil, and HI bond multipliers. Our formula builds your hair from the inside out. Aroma experience. It's a Bali beach night. So you wet hair, apply evenly from roots to ends, lather, and rinse out. So this is some sort of a like conditioner, like a leave-in, but I'm gonna have to try that out. I don't know a lot about this product or this brand, but I'm excited because it does look like it gives you good curls. And as you guys can tell, curls are for girls. So there's that. Hey, don't do that to those socks. No, no. All right, I had to hide it. All right, then we have, this is from Ethel M Chocolate Reserve. This is, no, don't do that. There must be food in there because he's trying to eat it. No, you're a scavenger. Stop it. Enrico. All right, so this is a chocolate bar. This is 65% cacao, single origin dark chocolate from Ghana. Ooh, creamy and sweet. I'm excited for this. Ooh, a bar of chocolato. Yay! All right, so this is a little blue bag. So cute. No. It's just cookie cutters. That's, you heard something, huh? So there are some little cookie cutters in here. There's a star, a gingerbread man, and a Christmas tree. So cute. I don't know the company name. Ellen's Sugariest Cookies. Oh no, that's the, there's a recipe for Ellen's Sugariest Cookies in here. I love this little bag too. That's so cute. So there is that. All right. Moving on. What else is in here, Henrico? Ooh, we have this last final item. This is from Log the Label. Or is it just a scarf? Ooh, I love the color. Hey, no. It's just the tag, guys. Don't worry. All right. So it is a, no. You're fired. This thing, it's a shawl, a cover, a pashmina. I love that it's not like glittery. A lot of times you'll see these and they're like brightly colored. This one's just simple. You just rock it around. I can wear this around my house. I love it. All right, so that's everything in my box. So you get to adopt a gorilla, you get the bomba socks, you get the beach waver co-wash, the dark cacao bar, the cookie cutters with the recipe, and your shawl. Let's see what everything is valued at. All right, so first off, we have this Log the Label bubble gauze scarf. This is valued at $120. This is made from responsibly dyed organic cotton. By the way, this is like, I want to say, like, I love the look of like linen and like heavier like fabrics. I think that's a very cool, I don't know, I just like it. That's what I would relate this to. Very like when you get that like a good, not a wrinkle, but you know what I mean, like the creases look beautiful, like looks very like layered and dramatic. Gives it a little bit of flair. I like it. All right, I love this item. All right, so okay, it's just in the box, whatever. All right, this gorilla adoption, this costs about $75 to $100 to adopt a gorilla and do all that good stuff. So that's awesome. The bomba socks are $20. Does look like there was a variety of colors included in this subscription. The cookie cutters are from, oh, these are from Be Kind by Ellen. So this is their own label. Those are valued at $25. The hair, there was also a different item from the Beach Waver company. It was a different variation, I guess. It was called Good Vibes Moisturizing Conditioner with coconut oil. They're both valued at $20. So then there's also the chocolate bar that's valued at $8. And then there is an article in here about Mackenzie Jones, like an interview type thing. And then there's just some more information about the Ellen Fund. So I love this box. What do you guys think? I think it's great. For $50, you get a whole mess of stuff, a great amount of versatile items. And if you don't really love something, you can always gift it. Everything comes with a tag. Everything comes with blah, blah, blah. So it's just a great box to have. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said, I will link down below to the Ellen box and also to a bunch of other brands in the description. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you're having a wonderful holiday season.